Hey guys, today we're working on the 2001 Toyota Corolla, and yesterday when we were at the gas station tried to put it into drive and it felt like the cable had broken. The shifter was all loose and we couldn't get in drive. Fella at the gas station helped us out and manually shifted it into drive at the transmission, and we're able to limp it home. So today we pulled it apart and found that the shift linkage here goes to the cable had popped off, and I watched some videos last night on YouTube, and a common thing was broken bushing inside this white clip there. Ours wasn't broken, it looked totally fine, it just had popped off. So two fixes that I've seen on YouTube was to put an E-clip on the shaft, but there's not enough groove there to really get it to stay on properly. There's really not much of any kind of a groove. And then the other idea was to put a spring clip and to drill a hole through the shaft and then insert a spring clip. I went with more of a permanent solution. I drilled a 3/32 hole through, and then I put a cotter pin, so it should be there for good from now on. Greased it up a little bit, greased up the shaft, and we're ready to put it back together. Anyways, I hope that helps you out.
I helped. I didn't do anything.
All right, guys. Have a great day.